Ho, ho, ho! Santa Van here with our STG holiday giveaway for 2020. Boy, this is a year for the history books, isn't it? There's a lot of stuff happening I never thought I would see in my lifetime. A lot of challenges out there for all of us. You know, this is the time of year where normally we're focused on promotions and let's get some kick-ass deals, let's sell some stuff. You know, my wife and I have been talking, and we want to switch it up a little bit this year. We want to do something a little different. You know, we can see very clearly that this pandemic is going to be a different experience for everyone out there. And we want to do our part to help some families that could use a little boost around the holidays. You know, last night we took our kids out to a local restaurant we've been going to for years since they were, I remember Sophia was in her belly, we were going there, you know, and Sophia's 11 years old now. Mr. B, Shelby Township here in Michigan, right? The owners, Debbie and Kevin, they're fantastic people. They put up a tent outside to have outdoor dining, bought some heaters and stuff. And we went there and took the kids and had a nice meal like we have probably 1,000 times at that place. And it just looked a lot different. You know, there's 90% less staff. That means all those people are just out of work. It's a pretty big place. You could tell even when we're driving the car there. You know, you see other restaurants, they have no outdoor tent. They're just closed. And even other businesses, the flow of people going in and out of it, that's not what it normally looks like, right? So that's impacted a lot of people right around the holidays, and that's a bummer, and we want to do our part to help there. I'm not Jeff Bezos, and this isn't Amazon, right? So our funds and resources aren't limited, but we can do enough to have a positive impact on at least a handful of families. We need help finding those families. What do we want to do? We want to provide a Visa gift card, a pretty substantial one, right, to help people put some presents under the tree for their kids that might be finding themselves in a spot right now where it's going to be real hard to get that done. Please reach out to me directly, even if you need some help. Don't be afraid to ask for it, man. This is just going to be me and you talking, right? We're not publicizing anything. This is just me looking for people to help us find folks that could use a little help. Shoot me an email directly to service, SERVICE, at sportbiketrackgear.com, right? We're looking for families with kids that could use a little boost around Christmas. So if you need the help, reach out. If you have a family member that could use some help, reach out, right? If you have friends, reach out. The motorcycling community is something we're really proud to be a part of. Motorcycle people are different people. They are, to their core, I think, some of the best people in the whole world. And that's why we're tapping on this community to just help us find the right people to get this done. We're going to finish all this up by the end of this week, okay? We need to get all the cards put together and mailed out so we can get them to people as quickly as possible to have a positive impact. So I'm going to close this on, today is the 7th, right? Monday the 7th, this is going to be 100% done by Wednesday of this week. So we got just a couple of days. Merry Christmas, and thank you to everyone for your business and your help in getting this done.